Hello, welcome to How I Draw Anatomy. This is not how to draw anatomy. Me, forget you. It's all about me. So yeah, the reason I say it's how I draw anatomy is because I don't really want to do a tutorial on how I think someone should. This is just how I do it because I have a very exaggerated style when it comes to anatomy. I just like it. I think it's creepy, looks appealing to me. But I do believe that there's an actual general structure to what you do. I don't remember drawing that. So something I see a lot of artists struggle with is remembering that there's an actual structure to the body. It isn't just all the flesh, the muscle, it's actually all the flesh and muscle wrapped around a structure. So a lot of the time people make the mistake of actually curving the limbs more than they should. And the structure is generally the same for female anatomy. It's just that the distribution of muscle, the length of the muscles, and the size of the muscles are slightly different. But the general structure is still the same. You don't have to be exact when you're sketching, just as long as you have a general idea of where everything should be. And this is just me drawing the most basic version of one of my characters. It's not exact, but there's still a sense of structure there. And it's good to remember that all muscles are layering over one another. They overlap when connecting to the structure. Like how the back of the shoulders connect underneath the back muscles, and they wrap around to the front of the arm. The back muscles usually start at the spine and wrap around the back. And when trying to draw the muscles, just think of them as triangles. Just a whole heap load of triangles. That's what a back is to me. And while a general idea might not make the anatomy correct, knowing an actual structure will give it a much more natural look. You don't need to be an anatomy major, a biologist, gynecologist, or whatever. You just need to know what a general body looks like. If you're trying to follow along for some reason, just start sketching right here with me. There is a lot more to drawing bodies than this, and I'll probably do a future tutorial on it, like shading, actual perspective, but for now, I hope this video gave you some idea of the correct mindset that you have to have when you're drawing anatomy. And if not, just know I don't feel bad. That's the end of the video. So, like, subscribe, follow me on whatever social media I put in the end card. Give me money for no reason. Those all seem like very, very fair options. Testing mic 1 2 3 5 4 6 blah 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 blah.